Hi beautiful, welcome back to Sabby Sisterlocs and Microlocs Kisumu. In today's video, I want to show you how I installed this Sisterlocs from scratch up to the end. It took me 2 days to achieve this beautiful Sisterlocs you see here, and that is why most of people tend to say that Sisterlock is a bit pricey. It takes like forever to install and also to have this grid. This is a perfect grid. I normally make sure the grid is perfect. This is an Aircel one will wear like forever. So we normally tend to get that grid perfect, and the grid alone takes almost 2 hours to perfect it. And also Sisterlock is very good. The main reason is because it's low maintenance and it's done on natural air, and you don't need to visit the salon all the time. If you want a air freedom, this is the style for you. And once matured, you can even wash them on your own anytime you want. You can swim with them, and you can even go up to 3 months without visiting the salon. And if you are a versatile person, you can as well learn to retighten your own hair. I've shared some videos here. I even shared a full detailed video of installation step by step. You watch it and get to know how you can tie your hair, and also make sure you know the rotation point that was used. We have 4-point rotation for density air. For medium air, we have 3-point rotation. And for very light air, or we call it fine air, you can have 2-point rotation or 3-point rotation to maintain the puffness. So not every air type has the same point rotation. So get to know that before you change your loctician, and also if you want to do your own retightening. If you find this kind of content helpful, or maybe you have somebody you know, or you want to learn how to do Sisterlock, consider subscribing, because I share here how I'm doing my retightening DIY, and even I share my clients logs here and their journey. So kindly consider subscribing so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get to see it, and also press the notification bell for you to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this link with some other people so that we can grow. Thank you. Well, and if you consider having Sisterlock, always look for someone who knows how to do it well. You know how you can do your research. There are so many videos in YouTube and on how to make them, or in Facebook. Just do your own research well before you settle for one. Always make sure they show you their work. At least when making a decision, you know where you're going to, and always know that there is consultation. Get that consultation and know your air type before settling for this air. And also the price, that one you can just talk with your loctician and get to agree on the price. We normally charge them depending on your air density and air length, and also the number of locks you would wish to have, and also get to know how you will maintain your air. If that same loctician can maintain your air, stick by her, or rather look for me here. I'm very available and very, very, very flexible. I can come wherever you are, so long as you cater for my transport. We get to agree. I'll leave my contact in the description box. If you are ready, don't hesitate to contact me, reach me, and make your appointment earlier enough, and activate your air freedom. No more shedding of hair because we don't comb the hair. No more product use. Say goodbye to combs. Welcome to air freedom and trust the process. Just spray it and go. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. It was nice having you around. Thanks for watching the video up to the end. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.